Hey, what's going on, guys and gals? I am extremely excited to announce the release of this new EPUB, Understanding the Behringer Wing Channel Step Processing, FX, and Inserts. Now, on this particular EPUB that I'm using for the computer, you've got all these controls up here that you can use. You can go to your table of contents, which right now there's 91 chapters in there. It doesn't matter which one you pick. So you're going to go to one that's going to take you right where you need to go. It's going to tell you what it is. If it emulates something, which Behringer has done, and we can find some up in here, I think the tape delay here, emulates the Roland RE201 Space Echo. And then I've got a picture of it in here, and that's what I wanted to do with this EPUB. If we figure out why they did what they did, and then have examples where we can go listen to this or read about it, then myself personally, I can tell you from the bottom of my heart, it made it a breeze to learn all these FX and channel strip processing that the Wing is capable of doing. And it is fantastic. So, like with this, I've got a video up here that's going to take you to the YouTube channel where you can actually watch this in action. Okay, you can see why it does what they does, and what their settings are, what they're using it for. And since Behringer is emulating it, that's what you really want to be watching anyway. Now here, the user manuals, the websites, all of these are clickable links, and they'll take you to everything that you need to know about the emulation that they're doing. And again, that's what you want to see. You want to go to the device of what they were emulating to see what the settings are for that, because that's what they built this plugin off of. And if we go back and we look at this, you're going to find this just chapter after chapter after chapter. It gives you the history. Some of these will actually give you who used them. Right here, the Beatles, the Shadows, the songs, the people that had these and were using them for their music. And, some of these names up here, guys, they're, Pink Floyd, the Beatles. And I don't want to leave anybody out. We're talking studios, Abbey Roads. We're talking about big brand names. These heavy hitters that are in this industry. And guys, if they're using them, there's a reason why. And if you take the time to go through this EPUB and you read it, I have no doubt whatsoever that you're going to come away with a tremendous amount of knowledge that you didn't have before. And here, one last thing, the BBD delay. It gives you the history of it. It's telling you who's using it. Pink Floyd used this for Shine On You Crazy Diamonds. The Beatles used it. Radiohead used it. U2 used it. And when you click on these, you can go up there and listen to this audio through their videos. And then you can watch the video on how to set these up. I cannot stress enough that people are telling me I need to charge more for this. And I am doing my very best to keep that price as low as I possibly can. Okay? And when I tell you guys that I've got hundreds of hours in this, I have hundreds of hours. I've got a lot of sleepless nights. I went to the part on this to where my hands were cramping up so bad, I just literally couldn't hardly move. And the more I read, the more intriguing it became to me, the more I wanted to know. And I hope you will get that same encouragement, that same excitement as you start to read through this. Okay? I thank you for your time. I thank you for your commitment. Take care. God bless. And we are out of here.